So let's just pause and talk about what just happened there. So we had a classic song from the 60s, Del Shannon's Runaway, which you get to show off on the piano solo. It's actually an organ, and then we went into Runaway by Bon Jovi, which is also in the key of A, which is fun. So Runaway is in the key of A. Runaway by Bon Jovi is also in the key of A. I don't know if they planned that. And then Ran So Far Away by Flock of Seagulls is also in the key of A. So we go down to the borrowed chord of F, Ran So Far Away. It all works together because it's mathematically compatible. So when you understand music theory and the math behind it, you can put these things together on the fly if you really know the songs. So if you really know the songs, the arrangements, the chords, your brain's like, oh, this would go good with this, and you can like switch into it immediately. Now, I've done that millions of times, but that's a good example of putting songs together that work together in a way that like your audience is like, oh, cool, he went that way. That's neat. So anyway, that's my medley demonstration. Next thing we're going to do is the mashup demonstration. Can you guys see the keys okay up there? That's all right? I've never done this before. This is all new, so I hope it's working out. So mashup demonstration. We're going to actually do something here. I have planned this out, just be forewarned, because I didn't want to walk on the tightrope without a net in front of a live audience. So at Aussie Rules, what happens is sometimes people request songs, but they don't request the right artist. So someone here wants to hear Benny and the Jets by Billy Idol. And so in my head, I'm like, wow, this is like ADHD central here. Let's see if we can actually pull this off. So I am now going to demonstrate how you would mash these up in front of you. I have planned this out ahead of time, but just bear with me. So kids, shake it loose together. The spotlight's hitting something that's been known to change the weather. We'll kill a fatted calf tonight, so stick around. You're gonna hear electric music, salsa sound. Say, Kenny and Ronnie, have you seen them yet? But they're so spaced out, the Benny and the Jets. They're winning, they're wonderful. Oh, Benny, she's really keen. She's got electric boots, a mohair suit. You know, I read it in a magazine. Benny and the Jets. So that's what it would sound like if Billy Idol did Benny and the Jets. Now, the fun math with that is Benny and the Jets is in G major 7. And I chose White Wedding because when you put down an artist, that's free reign. I can do what I want. So White Wedding's in the key of B minor. So I played the bonus riff at the beginning. So when I do that, I'm using octaves because it gives me more authority. If you're going to drive home the trademark riff of a song, using octaves is more effective. So if I do this like... it doesn't sound as good as this, like... driving home that, hey, we're doing Billy Idol, for those of you who didn't know, like this is what we're doing. So conversely, you could alternate the mashup now. So we're going to now take White Wedding and extrapolate that into the music for Benny and the Jets. So so ridiculous. Little sister, what have you done? Hey, little sister, who's the only one? Hey, little sister, who's your Superman? Hey, little sister, who's the one you want? Hey, little sister, shotgun. It's a nice day to start again. It's a nice day for a white wedding. It's a nice day to start again. It's a nice day for a white wedding. So we took Benny and the Jets, and we made Billy Idol sing it, and then we made Billy Idol sing White Wedding. It's just messed up. So that's the mashup demonstration. Hope you enjoyed that. I did prepare that ahead of time because there's some interesting math that has to happen with the phrasing. But I like doing stuff like this because it makes the gig interesting for me. And as you as the audience were like, I can't believe he just did that. That's wild. But again, the math works out because Benny's and the Jets is in G and White Wedding is in B minor. B minor is the relative, B minor exists in the key of G. So when you have that chord, B minor chord, you just put B minor over the G, and that's Benny and the Jets. So that's the trademark riff for that whole song. That if you don't play that, you're missing out on delivering value to your audience. So hope you enjoyed the mashup demonstration. I enjoyed putting that together for you, and I usually do this after I'm done with something because I'm proud of myself for walking the tightrope without a net. How are you folks doing so far? Are you enjoying the workshop? All right, cool.